in cities like Markham and Richmond Hill that are popular among Chinese community. Can we still find detached homes with a budget of $1 million? Hi everyone, I am Priscilla. I am real estate broker in GTA. I'm now in Cornell, Markham. This is a very mature community located in the east of Markham. Let's take a look at it. From the size of the trees, you can see that this community has been around for some time already, and it's very quiet and green. Don't forget to subscribe my channel before starting to see the houses, so that you will not miss my wonderful weekly property knowledge sharing and virtual tours. As soon as we enter, there is a small hallway. On the left is the powder room. It is in a standard size with one sink and one toilet. We are directly facing the stairwell leading to the second floor, but for now, let's take a look at the first floor. This is our family room with a fireplace, which is a place where your family sits and chats. Then we enter the kitchen. The size of the kitchen is good. There is a circle of countertops, and there is also some storage space underneath. There's a central island in front of the kitchen. It's used as a breakfast table as well, because there is indeed a circle of the bar stools around it. Then there's a formal dining table, which is connected to the small room. It is reasonable to say that this used to be a family room, but it is now arranged and it's more like a living room. One of the highlights of this house is that there's a skylight, so there's a lot of natural lights during the daytime. Let's start with the leftmost room. This room has a rectangular shape with a big bed on the left. It's facing the main street where we just parked our car. But because it is a very quiet neighborhood, there is basically no traffic, no noise. The layout of this room is that there are two small storage spaces. There is a bathroom here, but there's no bathtub, only a standing shower. Let's take a look at this room again from this angle. The area is about 180 square feet. Let's keep going. There is a bathroom with bright windows. The good thing is that it's completely renovated. The gray and white structure is very modern, and there are two sinks, which is very convenient. There is a bathtub with shower over there. Continuing down, this is also a rectangular room, and the desk is placed. If you don't put this desk, the area will be even bigger. Take a look. This is about 160 to 170 square feet, facing the backyard. The scenery outside the window is very pretty. This is another bedroom. This bedroom is a little bit smaller. It's about 120 square feet, but there is actually more space there, and there is a closet. Okay, that's it for the second floor area. Let's take a look at the backyard. The backyard feels very comfortable. First of all, it has a nice rectangular shape and the size is perfect. The tree is very mature and the lawn is so well maintained. Let's take a look at this tree. In the summer, you sit in the shade of the tree and carve it with your friends. Have barbecue, drink beer and chat. Isn't it pleasant? Finally, let's take a look at the basement. The floor in this house is all hardwood, which makes it very comfortable to walk on. The basement is also renovated nicely. Let's take a look at its layout. This is a good-sized bedroom. There's no built-in closet, but we can add one. There is actually one window, but we still don't have a lot of natural light. The living room has a good shape, and the area is big. A writing desk is added at the back, and you can also work and study here. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.